What's up, everyone? Just wanted to let you guys take a look on this absolutely beautiful, super rare 2007 C-230 with a 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, I said it, folks, a 6-speed manual transmission. And I think I'm the only one who has no sunroof. So on top of it being a 6-speed, it has no sunroof, so it's a slick top. Extremely rare car, yo. Honestly. I bought this car from auction. It's an extremely rare car, yo. It wasn't even listed as a manual, because people don't really see these cars like that. As you guys can see, it is the Sport Pack. It's the C-230 with the AMG exhaust tips that comes with the Sport package. Really uber rare car, yo. Oh, I didn't even see that. That has solid drill discs. Oh, that's cool. See, I'm not a big Mercedes guy. My channel is based on BMWs, but honestly, when I saw this, I just had to pick it up, yo. It's like, it's so rare. You don't see these type of cars, yo. A Mercedes with a manual transmission. Uber rare. So let me take you guys on the inside. So the car is extremely clean on the inside, like extremely clean. It's a white on gray interior, just so you guys can see. This is a factory 6-speed manual transmission with optional it has GPS navigation, 3 pedals, yo. Lit Nissan. The car currently has 147,000 miles on it, but the car has like no problems. I'm gonna start it for you guys after in the end, but the car has no issues at all. The car is extremely clean, yo. For 2007, yeah, extremely clean car. Let me open up the back for you guys to see it too. Extremely clean, yo. I got some stuff on the, yeah, extremely clean. It's what's so cool about this is that it still has the original spare, like it hasn't even been used. Like, this car was extremely taken care of. Man. This is gonna actually be the first Mercedes on my channel. Like I told you guys, I'm a BMW guy at heart, but I couldn't pass this up. A 6-speed, yo. I think I'm the only one that's going to be on YouTube that has this combination with a 6-speed manual transmission and a slick top. I don't think anybody else has that. So awesome, yo. So awesome. Car is beautiful, yo. Car is beautiful. Let me open the hood for you guys. So underneath the hood is a 2.5 liter V6 from Mercedes. I mean, it's okay horsepower. I mean, the car is definitely faster with the manual transmission, because I have driven the automatics before and they're peppy, but with it gated to a 6-speed manual, this thing is really quick. It's not like bullet quick, but it's pretty quick. You understand? It's a nice little daily driver for someone that just want to go from point A to point B and want to have some fun, So, and it's kind of a sleeper because everybody thinks, since this is no, because it looks like a regular, automatic C-230. You can have yourself a little sleeper, But car is magnificent, yo. Magnificent. Let me just start it for you guys. There's the key. Beautiful key. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. As you guys can see. Navigation. And it's touchscreen too. All this is touchscreen. For 2007, that's amazing. Like I said to you guys, no check engine lights, no lights on the dash other than my seatbelt not being on because I'm inside the car. But yeah, it's a really clean car, yo. Like, has to be one of the most rarest cars I have ever picked up before. Like, seriously. Oh. Alright. But yeah, this concludes it, yo. I just wanted to give a little or a praise to this beautiful 2007 C-230, yo. Oh, it really is beautiful, yo. Look at that. Wow, look at that stance, dog. Well, anyways, you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, True BMW, and yeah, take it from there. All right, have a good one. Stay positive. You're done. I want to let you guys see me drive the car a little bit. So if you guys see the phone all over the place, just know this is a manual, so it's kind of hard to shift. So yeah, the car is awesome, yo. So smooth, yo. So smooth. So smooth, yo. But alright then, you guys.